let's go ahead and start with our first topic. This is a new snack that I have. So I think the product name is called Hilo. It's the Hilo variety pack, but they make these tortilla like chips that you could have. It comes into 3 flavors. You got ranch, spicy, and cheddar. I personally like the ranch, and we're going to start rating these products that we're trying for you with oh yeah. So you're going to get a half to up to 5. So, like half to 5, 5 being the best, half being kind of the worst. This one gets 4. Oh yes. It is awesome. And if you're like, well, can I really take this and can I do this on keto? Of course you can. Let me get the label for you here. So as you can see, it has 5 carbs, 2 fibers, so you can kind of subtract that off of your carbs, which brings you down to 3, and only 1 sugar. So it stays perfectly inside of the Keto Simple format. They are super tasty. I mean, it's not, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to oversell it and say like this tastes just like a Dorito. It don't get me lying. But it is the best chip alternative that's keto friendly that I have had. And they even put it on the box. It says like keto friendly right on it. I have a link underneath. You can order these right from Amazon. It's the variety pack, or like I said, and pick the one you want and order those. But please check it out. I highly recommend it. For oh yes, baby. It is amazing.